welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some questions from some applications of trigonometry. That is an important question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point A due south of the tower is alpha and B from east of the tower is beta. If A, B is D, show that the height of the tower is D divided by root of cot square alpha plus cot square beta. Let OP be the tower. It is the height of the tower. A is a point due south of the tower and B is a point due east of the tower. AB is equal to D. Then angle OAP is equal to alpha and angle OBP that is equal to beta. Okay, first we have to take in triangle OAP. Tan alpha is equal to, tan alpha means H divided by OA. Therefore, OA is equal to H by tan alpha. That means H cot alpha. Next, in triangle OBP, tan beta is equal to S divided by OB. Therefore, OB is equal to H by tan beta, that is H cot beta. Then consider the right triangle OAB. In triangle OAB, AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. ABD, so D square is equal to OA square. OA square means that is H cot alpha. So H square cot square alpha plus OB. OB is equal to H cot beta. So H square cot square beta. So D square is equal to H square into cot square alpha plus cot square beta. So H square is equal to D square divided by cot square alpha plus cot square beta. Therefore, H is equal to root of D square by cot square alpha plus cot square beta. That means H is equal to D divided by root of cot square alpha plus cot square beta. Therefore, height of the tower is D divided by root of cot square alpha plus cot square beta. Understood? Okay.